The Page to Sidebar extension allows you to view the mobile or desktop version of any website inside your browser's sidebar window or side panel. It's available on multiple different browsers. Today I'm going to demonstrate using the Chrome browser. It has 5 different mobile views available, and it only takes a few seconds to install and is very easy to use. So to start off, we add it to our browser. After adding it to our browser, we then have the ability to pin it to the browser toolbar. To do this, we simply left click on the puzzle icon and then left click on the pin icon. Now you can see it inside our browser toolbar. If you'd like to activate this extension in incognito mode of your browser, simply select the puzzle icon again, click the 3 dots, and then select Manage Extension. Then within this options panel, you'll see the options here to allow in incognito. Simply turn that on and off as desired. You can also select the on and off for the pinned toolbar option here as well. Now, inside the toolbar, we'll see the extension is active. To begin using, we simply click it. Once clicked, we see the prompt to get started. We need to open the options panel and set our desired website. So we simply click and we're met with the options panel. Here we can see multiple different options available. The ability to set the website address, the ability to select our preferred view, the option to block ads inside the website that we do select, the option to turn off the scroll bar, and the option to turn off the toolbar as well. So let's start by using the extensions example. So we go ahead and close this. And now upon reopening, we can see it loads the website as we've specified. We can go ahead and change this to Google Android. Windows iPhone or Windows Phone. Firefox. Samsung, and the default view. As mentioned, we can turn off the scroll bar, so this no longer shows, and we can turn off ads as well, so these will be removed from the page. If we select to remove the toolbar, this will also remove the toolbar at the top here, as demonstrated. When changing the mobile view or the desktop view as well, it sends the user agent information as headers to the website. So if we're using Firefox, for example, that information would be sent to the website that we're using that operating device. From within inside the toolbar options, we also see other options available. The ability to go backwards and forwards, the ability to reload without having to reload our main page, the option to open inside a new browser tab, the option to refresh the user interface without having to reload the whole thing. So for example, if we change to Google Android and then refresh, it indeed makes that change. And we go back to Firefox and it makes that change again. A link to open the options panel that we're currently viewing, a help guide, then the donation. And then that simply hides the toolbar temporarily. And we can control the pin here as well. In all, this extension is simple and easy to use, and it can serve multiple benefits. It would be very handy if looking to keep up to date with a live feed, social feed, maybe a news website of your choice, or anything that you're looking to kind of keep an eye on in the background whilst looking at other pages or websites as you're navigating or scrolling. So it's incredibly handy for this. It's also handy for things like note taking when watching videos and a whole host of other benefits behind it.